So, ma'am, what's your 10th and 12th percentage, if you remember?
रैंक तो पूछ लो. And they said फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
And, ma'am, your favorite local food?
सॉरी, चड्डी बडीज बोलते हैं हम एक दूसरे को, मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, एडिट कर देना.
So, hello guys, today we have Chandra Prabha ma'am. She has secured All India rank 289. So, congratulations, ma'am. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very relaxed. It was a journey of 6 attempts, so I think the feeling is just of liberation and just relief. I'm very grateful, very blessed, because we all know that especially students and my fellow aspirants who are trying, who were very close to the margin, I don't think there's a reason why they didn't make it to the list and I did. It was the luck factor is there in the exam. So yes, I'm feeling very blessed and grateful because of that.
Okay. So ma'am, what's your educational background?
I'm an engineer in computer science. Then I pursued a master's in public policy from Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. My engineering was from Symbiosis University in Pune. I've also qualified the National Entrance Test in Public Administration. It's a subject I really enjoy. This is my educational qualification.
So ma'am, what's your 10th and 12th percentage, if you remember?
Good question. And you know what is really interesting about this question is, jab 10th and 12th mein, it really matters a lot. Kitna aaya. But now we don't even remember these marks. So 10th mein I had 92%, I believe. But I had very high marks in environment. So that has been a passion subject for me for a very long time. And 12th I had, I don't want to say the wrong figure, but it was around 85%.
So you are always a top front bencher.
Doesn't matter. Percentage and marks are just a number. It's okay.
Okay. So ma'am, talking about your result, did you open your result yourself or did someone else open it for you?
Wow. Thank you for helping me relive that memory. So we had just finished. My interview was very late. 8th April the interview was there, and 9th April was the last interview. We knew because of rumors that the result could come either on 15th or 16th. I decided that I want to travel and see the result in my house, in my home. So we traveled, we went to Punjab, came back, went to Mumbai. We reached on the 16th around 1 p.m. I think I opened my phone and I saw a message saying the result is expecting within the next 15 minutes. And tab 10 minutes guzar chuke the. My parents were still tired from the journey, and I go very quietly to them and I said, "Parishan mat ho na, 5 minutes mein result aa raha hai." And they are looking at me and they are saying, "Okay, let's get ready," and wo sab. And for me, I'm very fond of capturing moments and memories for my own self. So and every journey का मैंने वीडियो बना रखा है रिजल्ट का, चाहे फेल था या पास था, और वो है मेरे पास खुद की मेमोरी के लिए. तो मैंने बोला आप रेडी हो जाओ, मुझे कैमरा सेट करना है फॉर अस एंड वी विल डू इट. तो पापा का पेशेंट ने कॉल भी कर लिया था, तो ही वॉज बिजी ऑन दोज कॉल्स. एंड आई न्यू दैट जैसे रिजल्ट आएगा मेरे फ्रेंड्स और सबको वो मेरा पता लग जाएगा. And they will probably know if I failed or passed before I know, because I am not going to open that file without my father. So we were waiting, and I switched my phone off. I wrote a message to my friends that you guys will probably know मेरा क्या हुआ, pass या fail. तो आप मैं आती हूँ. I will come and meet you on the other side of the tunnel. So we waited, and I think I saw it 15 minutes later after the PDF actually came. And we are looking, and वही होता है प्रक्रिया. You will do Control F, and you will type your name in. I typed and I saw the name and I saw the rank. So all this while, aspirants are. Do you want to see your phone?
No.
Okay.
So I have an interesting question for you.
Okay.
So I will ask after that.
Perfect. No worries. So I saw the name and I saw rank 289, and at that point, human greed. I was happy, but the rank was not satisfactory. So the comment from my heart came कि काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, that's it. And my fathers and parents just started dancing happily, rejoicing, and I said, rank तो पूछ लो. And they said फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Like they just like कि काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. My father's a public servant himself, retired public servant. So for him, just being able to serve the nation was a big deal. So that's it. That was their reaction, and I'm just grateful.
And ma'am, what's your hobbies? And after that, I will do a rapid fire round with you.
Okay, sure. आई एन्जॉय जस्ट इंटरेक्टिंग विद स्ट्रे डॉग्स. और ये हॉबीज़ मैंने अपनी डैफ में लिखी थी, तो थोड़ी विवादित हॉबीज़ थी. मुझे आई लाइक टू वर्क विद स्ट्रे डॉग्स, especially to understand their behavior. I love being in nature and an environment, trekking, hiking, just living around rivers and jungles. I also like just reading and improving my own awareness on mental health. That is something I enjoy. And life skills. So I work with children on how they can improve their life skills and just become more wholesome citizens of the country. So these are some of my hobbies.
Okay. And ma'am, I'm going to ask you some rapid fire question. So okay. So ma'am, your favorite actor?
My gosh, there's a actress, actually Jessica Chastain.
Okay.
There's something about her movies, from Miss Sloane to now Miss Sloane was on the consulting world and how negative it can be. So movies of hers make me feel like, oh, I can also change the world.
Okay.
So she's my favorite actress.
And ma'am, your favorite local food?
Pani puri.
Why it is so?
I just really enjoy the taste, and I think when there's a thrill to go and eating pani puri on the streets of Delhi or Mumbai. And what is interesting is Mumbai's pani puri is different from Delhi's pani puri, is different from West Bengal's puchka. पानी पूरी यहाँ पे गोलगप्पे एंड पुचका. तो वो डाइवर्सिटी ना अच्छी लगती है, चेंजेस उसमें अच्छा लगता है.
Which place pani puri is like you most?
माय गॉश, अरे यार, ऑल थ्री मतलब सब.
You have to choose one.
I'll go for Mumbai.
Okay. Okay. And ma'am, your favorite sports star, or maybe it's from cricket or something other sport? Yeah.
I'm a swimmer. And I've had the chance to be a swim coach to very small children, toddlers, and even senior citizens for swimming therapy. तो रिचा मिश्रा एक स्पोर्ट्स स्विमर है, एंड her credibility is in the fact that even despite her age, or not despite her age, but she is a more senior swimmer, and she has a high count of, I think, probably the highest number of medals. So she is an inspiration.
Okay.
Age is just a number.
And ma'am, one place which you want to travel?
My gosh, so many. इंडिया में मेरा एक लिस्ट है, मुझे सारे रामसार लेक इंडिया, रामसार वेटलैंड्स इंडिया के विजिट करने हैं. तो मैंने अभी हरिके कर लिया है, मैंने वेम्बनाड कर लिया है. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज रामसार वेटलैंड्स आर ऑन माई बकेट लिस्ट. Internationally, I would love to go visit Amazon rainforest because it's a sad thing. We might lose it in the next few decades. And Alaska.
Okay. And ma'am, your parents, sorry? Okay, ma'am, your friends are watching us. So what's the message you would give to them?
Oh, thank you. Abhi new friends that I made are my friends from the UPSC journey.
From your college or from your
Yes, I'll actually go backwards in chronology. So UPSC journey friends, thank you for being such great pillars of support. My goodness, we have laughed and cried together, and I don't think I would have been able to do this journey without all of you. So this Siddharth, Abhijit, Khushali, so Ramya, Nishant, pillars of support, incredible, and luckily we've made it through. So that has been good. चड्डी बडीज बोलते हैं हम एक दूसरे को, मेरे मुंह से निकल के एडिट कर देना. दीज आर चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स. सो चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स में नैना, आदिति, देवांशी, चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स, एंड इवन सो वी आर अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ ऑल पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स and their parents. So my message to them is of gratitude, because for them my performance in the exam didn't matter. They never measured my merit and my potential basis the rank I get or the performance. They believed in my inherent potential, so I'm very grateful for that. And yes, my one of my best friends, Deepa Singh and Abhishek Singh, they have been co-founders in my NGO as well. Deepa Singh is an expert in mental health and AI ethics, so she was the main source of mental health support for me. Abhishek Singh, and these are all aspirants, even Abhishek Singh, and they have also tried for the exam, so they have been pillars of support.
And talking about your friends, if you remember any funny moments with them, if you can share.
Let me see if I can remember something. अभी कुछ शायद याद नहीं आएगा.
कुछ नहीं
सोचते हैं कुछ कभी तो. कल, I mean, this was helpful. My childhood friends texted me Happy Civil Services Day yesterday, and I was with the friends who prepared with me on UPSC journey. So we just rejoiced कि Civil Service Day पे we are together with all the friends who made it through. So that was one thing. It's not a funny story, but it was a very blessed moment. That was one, and yes, just.
Okay. And ma'am, one serious question is that how can someone improve their essay writing?
Okay. Yes, I actually just did the strategy there. So just quickly, what I'll say is that right now there is a lot of fear for essay because the marks have been released and it looks like it's a little random. I mean, I'm sure not to. UPSC has its own wisdom and they're very wise experts. But what it's done is it's caused fear in the community about essay. What I'll tell your viewers is essay is a very enjoyable subject. Between your general studies, you will actually feel relieved in preparing for essay. So don't fear it, because the essay is an opportunity for you to show your haath tak gaya.
No.
I can hold it. It's fine. No, don't worry. The essay test is an opportunity for you to demonstrate a few things. The first is you demonstrate your understanding of an issue from multiple perspectives. The second is your ability to persuade the examiner about your ideas and thinking. And third is your ability to demonstrate that you are a solution-oriented public servant potentially, and you are optimistic and you have positive solutions and ideas for the nation and the world. So that is the beauty of the essay. You get to prove your own value and merit. So it's an enjoyable subject. The other thing is use news and use your general studies knowledge and content and try to think of how you can include it in the essay and integrate it. And also, you've learned a lot from your 30 years of living. Try to be alert around your day-to-day life and think of how you can integrate it in your essay, क्योंकि बहुत case studies ऐसे दिन में चलते-चलते day-to-day life में मिल जाएंगे. It's an enjoyable subject. Don't fear it is my message.
And ma'am, talking about GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, GS subjects, so how can someone improve it?
Okay. थक जाएगा. General studies, see, mains in general is a game of writing. What happens is after prelims, candidates fear that they don't have enough knowledge again and they will get into reading and stress about content. It's okay. You've studied for prelims. You will have the content and knowledge. What you have to do is write. It really is a game of writing. I was blessed to be in a program. In fact, with GS Score for Public Administration, Abhishek Saxena sir does a day-to-day, a daily exercise of answer writing for free. I was part of that and I had been submitting my answers, and sir would give feedback one-to-one within hours, sometimes even within minutes. So practice writing and don't compromise on writing just to read more content. The second thing is, for mains, again, for general studies, I had taken the mains mastership program of Sachin sir. Sachin Arora sir and Kazi sir was also guiding us. So that was a daily free answer writing program that we would do on a daily basis. So just write. That's it. Between prelims and mains, write your subjects.
And ma'am, the students who are watching us, what's the message would you like to give them? The exam is not larger than you. It's just one way to truly serve the nation. So if your heart is in public service and serving the nation, don't make the exam larger than yourself. Prioritize your mental health and just stick to foundations, stick to simplicity. Don't run for exotic quick fix solutions. And it'll take time, maintain patience. Most importantly, don't glorify toppers, including me. Don't glorify us. We have had our individual journeys, and you yourself are brave to even decide to take this exam in the first place to serve the nation. And ma'am, last May, what was your experience with me? You can, yeah.
Arbaz, thank you. I enjoyed your rapid fire round as well. It was fun. And thank you. You were very, very kind.
And did you enjoy it, ma'am?
Yes, I enjoyed the interview.
So ma'am, please watch in the camera and told them, please do like, subscribe and share.
Yeah,
they will follow you.
No, they'll do it anyway. I mean, okay, so...
Yeah, just say your honest review.
Yeah, I'll give the honest review.
UPSC candidates need to focus more on पढ़ाई. YouTube देखो, डिसिप्लिन के साथ देखो, जहाँ पर हेल्प और वैल्यू मिल रहा है. प्रीलिम्स आ रहे हैं, फोकस ऑन प्रीलिम्स एंड लाइक, फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट ऑन चैनल्स where you think they are adding value to your preparation. And don't get distracted. Focus. बस ये है.
Thank you, ma'am. And that's it for this session. We will meet after next video. So that's it for it. Thank you, ma'am.
मेरा लाइक कमेंट और वो वाला एडिट करके
Okay.
गलत मत कर देना.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Okay.
But thank